football-loving mama. She's moving 10 yards at a time. It's always my team that she cheers for. That woman is all mine. Monday is my favorite, 'cause she wears a wedding dress. It's not a frilly white one, it's got a logo on the chest. She's my football-loving mama. She's moving 10 yards at a time. It's always my team that she cheers for. That woman is all mine. Thursday nights are bar night, and everybody's there. She pulls up in her red Chevelle with those ribbons in her hair. She's my football-loving mama. She's moving 10 yards at a time. It's always my team that she cheers for. That woman is all mine. Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave. Sunday with my buddies, she brings out wings and beer. From preseason and Super Bowl, she makes my football year. She's my quarterback and she knows just what that means. How many women do you know that can name up all the teams?
Niners, Broncos, Ravens, Chargers, Lions, Rams, Seahawks, Texans, Dolphins, Packers, Saints love their fans. Jaguars, Eagles, Steelers, Jets, Bills, Chiefs, Colts, Bears, Panthers, Vikings, Patriots in the East, Redskins, Raiders, Cowboys, Giants, Bengals, Browns, Cardinals, Titans, Falcons, Buccaneers back in town.
She's my football-loving mama. She's moving 10 yards at a time. It's always my team that she cheers for. That woman is all mine. She's my football-loving mama. She's moving 10 yards at a time. It's always my team that she cheers for. That woman is all mine. She's my football-loving mama. 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 She's my football-loving mama.
Dick,
Tea.
big night tonight.
White tea.
White tea. No, I haven't even looked for it. I've just been hanging up bolts. Ooh, we got lots to do tonight. And we got Johnny Boy in the house, so I'm going to show up somewhere. There he is, look at it. Playing with the dog. Always dicking around. Always dicking around. Ah! Kick his ass, wolf boy. Ew. Hello, son.
Hello.
Oh, look at them. Oh, yeah.
What?
I don't know. This is like Circus du Soleil working on the truck
What do
today.
you want me to do? Give me a-
I got a job for you. Ready? Johnny! Cash! I fell into a burning ring of fire. Sing it, Derek! Down, down. Turn it. Sing it, Johnny! Ring of fire. Oh yeah, you hit her. Oh, love is sweet.
Fucking heavy, man.
Oh, there it is. I got one of those. Where'd you find that?
In there.
Yeah, see? On sale. Canadian Tire. How many socket sets do you have, Derek?
Not very many now.
If it
I might-
hurts me, I'm gonna cry to my mommy. Okay, no more. Eyeballs. Yeah. Oh.
Jeez.
Okay, that's bullshit. I'm putting gloves on.
You know, you put long sleeves on for 415, but you don't put long sleeves on while welding.
I didn't put long sleeves on for 415.
Oh yeah, you're going to.
I am now. That shit. I had a whole week of that shit. Yeah. Hey Johnny,
What?
grab my helmet. My welding helmet.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
You know, you guys are welding, hey?
Right behind it.
Oh,
That's right.
Yeah.
look at this. Gloves? You guys have gloves and a welding helmet? And you don't use either.
We do now.
Funny. Oh, look, coveralls right here. I wonder if that's a sign for something.
Ow! Okay, this is bullshit being underneath this thing.
Weird how there's coveralls right behind you, too.
How come you got long sleeves and I don't? Okay.
Look at that. Look at those. So,
So fucking I'm blind. Yeah. Derek, put this helmet on, buddy. Shine on, you crazy diamond. Welding's bad for the eyes.
You don't want to fuck up those threads.
Oh, same movie as they did this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't fuck up the threads.
I won't. I promise.
So go with at least one lower than you did on this one here.
That size lower, Derek.
Fuck that one there. But don't tell me. You good? I don't hear nothing going yet.
Let's go on curve.
You break it?
Yeah, my tooth. Fucking hell.
what happened to that flashlight anyway?
Derek
Got
burnt
stuck in
it.
a Subaru.
That's Derek
Somebody,
burnt it.
somebody forgot to take it out when we were helping somebody fix his car.
Yeah, who was that?
And then you didn't check. So the other side is what we need. We don't
Oh.
need this side,
Okay.
but you need to go bigger, Andy, so, and not big, that big there,
How big?
because this is what holds that in.
Yeah.
So you want to just go a little bigger than that,
Still spitting tooth out here. A little bigger than that,
yeah.
but not go all the way through.
But don't, oh no, you don't want to come through it. You just want to,
Just
Open
tap
it
it
up.
open
like I
up.
did with this one on that side
Yeah,
there.
just open it up.
Okay, Johnny, make an engine noise.
We'll do it in the right order. Ready? Rum. 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 No sound, no sound, no sound. I got pretty good. Yeah, we just got the gas pedal in. Woo! Nice job, Derek.
It's weird how your big K10 sounds like a turbo Subaru.
Oh yeah.